So are we still no traction?
Yes.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! What? This is crazy! What? This is crazy!
Alright, what's the deal, YouTubers? SRT Show, we back with another video, man. Today, I'm about to be getting my crush reaction to my Lastcall Widebody Scatpack charger, man. I'm about to go crazy today, man. No cap. But now, y'all, as y'all can see, got the damages right here still. We will be getting this fixed soon at Buffet. Damage is looking hella rough, no cap. But no, man, today we about to be getting a reaction to the Widebody Scat, no cap. The crash Widebody Scat. You know, we can't just call it a normal Widebody Scat no more. Cause y'all see the damage, bro. This shit is like crazy. I'm tired of looking at this shit every day. But no, man, we about to hop straight in the whip and we about to get a reaction to the Widebody Scat today. No cap. Let's get straight to it. Alright, y'all, man. Today I'm about to be getting her reaction to me driving my Scatpack charger with no traction today. I'm about to turn this shit off right now. Have I ever drove with no traction with you before? No? Alright, we about to be riding. Shit, you just like, you know, you hold this and then like turn off the traction. So like, all like, so pretty much like, it just like, it'll slide better. I can't really describe it. Just know it's like no traction at all. So it's like when it's on the road, it's not gonna grip. So like if you hit it, it's gonna like start sliding and shit. Alright.
What's up, guys? Woods.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm about to slide this bitch real quick.
Oh my gosh! Oh my goodness! What? This is crazy! What? This is crazy! That was fun. That was really fun.
Oh, what's going on with my car? Hold on. We about to go even more crazy.
Oh shit. Babe, did it die?
No, it's not dead.
The screen's off.
So? Why are you looking like that? Feels like what?
I don't know, like exhilarating, nervous, all at the same time. I think this guy's trying to get away from you.
Who?
Mr. Rooter.
Fuck, bro.
So, babe.
Bro, this traffic crazy today.
Traffic is crazy.
Nah,
like
for real.
A little bit crazy.
I'm about to like. You said what? Bro, I can't even go around.
Oh, we can. 9631. Look at the pretty colors. It's fall.
Where you smell that?
Yeah. Is that you?
No, that's the tires. Don't it smell good?
Smells good as a stretch.
It's like the best smell in the world. Like tires burning.
It's definitely, it's like people who like the smell of gas. I never understood it, but you know, maybe it's
No, I
just
fuck
like
with the smell of gas though. That shit smells good.
See, I fall in that category. I don't fall in that category.
Oh, for real? Why not?
I like stuff that actually like smells good. Like,
It
you
does
know, the
smell good.
expo markers.
The what?
Expo markers, like when you're writing on the
Oh, that
board.
shit smell good too.
That smells good. Okay, we'll agree. But gas and burning rubber.
Man, gas and smoke, bro. If it was like a combination of both, like that shit would smell like bomb as hell. No cap.
So are we still no traction?
Yes.
Oh. Okay.
There's still no traction. The traction is staying off. might.
It's in a.
It's all going slow as hell. It don't matter, he going slow as hell. I look, he could get in front of him, but I'm gonna chill.
Let's chill. That just seemed like a song.
Wait, no, what?
It do. It seemed like it would be a good song. I got Rainbows. Oh, he said go around.
Oh, for real?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, no,
He
I'm
said
not
go
going around.
I think
Gonna
they
set me up.
scared. I think he's scared.
I'm not gonna lie, look,
He's like,
on the same road, I'm at my Challenger, someone's trying to get in front of me, so I sped up, and then there was a car coming on this lane, and dog almost like collided when I'm trying to get in front of me. But I was on some asshole shit, though, I'm not gonna lie.
See?
Yeah, that's why I'm not even doing that shit.
Yeah,
Fuck
let's
that.
not do that today. Somebody needs to put me on their record deal. Like, I could really make a good song. You know what I mean?
Are you still on Brambos, man?
Yeah. What's that car?
Shit, I don't know. Some bullshit.
They were tired of being behind you.
Shit, that's
In
on
front of
them.
you.
Please, I hope the light don't go fucking red. I'm trying to hit this tunnel.
I got Brembo. Hey. I don't like these cars. These trucks they got.
What if that shit just fell off?
That's
That
what I'm
shit-
saying. That's why I don't like it. I got Brembos. You know what? If I was a female rapper, I got Brembos. And they, well, actually, no, they wouldn't match my toes. 'Cause my toes are blue. But if I did have those.
God damn, this car's so torquey. Every time I get some
They,
jellies
like,
on it, they get so
open.
scared. Every time I get behind somebody, they just get so scared. They get crazy.
You said they get so scared?
Yes, they think
Oh,
I'm
look, they're turning now.
I'm about to turn too.
Sound like
Sound like what?
we're on a race car track.
Race car track. What?
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
What you mean?
What's that?
A shitty ass Mustang. I don't fuck with Mustangs on this shit.
Only Mopar. Isn't that what it's called?
Yeah, it's a Mopar, man. Come on now. Like, you should know this by now.
So yeah, I'm learning these things. What is that?
Call that big ass truck on the side of me. Does that like hurt your stomach when I do that?
No, my neck just goes super stiff and it goes
So
like, you know when you on a roller coaster?
Yeah.
And like,
So I feel like you're on a roller coaster?
yes.
What about this? Like,
Yeah, it makes my neck go super stiff.
damn. I don't know, I'm used to it now.
So you just let your neck just fall.
god. You still on that Brembo shit?
It's just stuck in my head now. I got Brembos. You know?
I guess. You funny as hell.
It's just a tool. Like, it's definitely
A tomb?
yeah, like it's a tool. It's a nice, like, you know what I mean? Honestly, I just started somebody's rap career. And a lot of people can relate. So you know what?
What's having Brembos?
I'm saying, like, people in your, like, community can relate to it. So I think they would like that song.
Shit, who knows? We'll figure it out though.
Yeah, I want parts though. Give me my cut.
Just cut me off.
He did.
That would have been a second time. This one, my shit would have been dinged. That's crazy because like that's where I got into my accident at, right there.
Oh. You think they recognize you?
Shit, I don't give a fuck. What they gonna do? Like come catch me? Like
I don't know. Now they won't be able to catch you.
I'm not gonna lie, that's a shitty ass gas station anyways, but they be charging like $6 for premium. Like, that shit is a ball. I feel like $100 in my tank, that shit didn't give me shit. No cap.
$100 in the tank?
Yes, I usually take less than that to fill it up, but that place is shitty as hell.
Look at him, still being an asshole.
Oh, that's why we just dusted his ass.
That made us stare and he was like, I feel like I'm used to it now. Like first I was like,
Will be going fast?
Yeah.
Alright man, sorry y'all, but the camera died, man. It overheated as usual. Every time I do like a video like this, it always overheat, no cap. But no man, how'd you feel about that ride though?
It was super fun. Like, it definitely was fun. It was exhilarating. And I don't know. It was cool. I liked it a lot. My favorite part was the donut.
Oh, no, man, for real. That shit was fun. She is still not used to donuts. But no, man, let me know if y'all want me to bring her back on the channel, no cap. I'll definitely do that, man. Other than that, man, thank y'all for watching, man. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure you also follow me on Instagram at srt.show. Other than that, man, I'm going to catch y'all later.
For sure.